What's up, guys? Got another awesome video coming your way. Let me just set up my microphone here. There we go, now you can hear me nice and clear. So yeah, I'm really excited about this video. It's only about 2 minutes long, but it took hours of efforts, blood, sweat, and tears without the blood and tears, but you know, it was a lot of work and it was really challenging, which was fun. Took on a lot of different new things that I hadn't done before, and what made it extremely challenging was the fact that it was done at Times Square, where there's so many people going by in every direction, there's so many people talking, there's so much noise, like this bus in the background right now, and so much lights. It was just crazy. And so it was really fun to get to craft all this, put it all together, and make it really epic for David. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Are you a part of this small group of people today who are aware of the planetary shifts that are going on? Have you woken up to your internal gift to serve, teach, lead, and help heal others and the planet? Then this video is for you. Look around us. We are living in the Matrix. Thousands and thousands of people all around us right now being cogs in a system that does no longer serve them. And here's the worst part. Most of these people are not even aware of why the system is not working. You are aware of it. You are watching this video because you've woken up to the fact that this world needs to change, and you've decided to be the change our world needs to see. You've decided to step up, to break the current system, to do something different. And there's no time to wait anymore. This current system, the current old paradigm, it is falling. And we need leaders to step up to create the new paradigm. We need you, and we want to help you. If you're ready to step fully into this gift that you've been given, if you're ready to lead, to teach, to guide, to help heal others on the planet, whether that be through leading workshops, whether that be through speaking, whether that be through coaching others, the time to step up is now, and we want to help you. We've already been working to help hundreds of leaders step into their truth, step into their dharma, lead their mission to guide and transform others. This world will not change unless we get more people like you to step up. So I invite you, if this is hitting home for you, if you're ready to be a part of a new paradigm, then we will be waiting for you.
All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. It was super epic, lots of fun to create. And really, I would love to hear your feedback, but the coolest piece of feedback would be are you actually curious about the workshop now? Are you compelled to ask about it? And if so, let me know, but obviously let David Pare know, because it is actually happening, so you'll want to look into that. And yeah, just make sure you smash that like button, or whatever you want to do with the like button, up to you. And subscribe for more, because I'm definitely going to be creating a lot more. And although I don't know exactly what it's going to be, I know it'll be fun.